We started our company in March 2016. The whole initial story is when we were delivering the water cans before in the past, we realized that every day we were actually delivering more than 200 cans. So to simplify that, we came to the point that why can't we install a water purifier at the customer home? Our first customers was my friend's brother. It was in a HL quarters. I took the product in the i10 car which we had, and then I remember taking it to his apartment, and then he was also shocked ki, being an engineer and not a plumber, how am I going to fix the product? We drilled the holes onto his wall. I personally installed the product and I showed him the app and how does it work. Something in a nutshell was just 6 to 7 months back is now a real product running in customers' home and customers ready to pay. So we thought that let's rent out a 2 BHK apartment where in one of the rooms, let's store our water purifiers, whatever we are doing, and let's use the other room for actually running the office, right? So that's how the early days of DrinkPrime were.
When we were in the hiring spree, the team kind of got about 30. We actually moved to this office space around January 2020. Unfortunately, COVID hit. Kind of scenario, 12 in the night, 1:30 night, people have called and said, I'm really scared, can you please get me a purifier? And there was supply chain challenges because only essential commodities was what being kind of moved.
It was 1 o'clock in the night and the government had announced a lockdown to be in effect from 6 a.m. the morning after. We were there in the commissioner's office and the commissioner was giving out essential services pass. So we got about 9 odd passes at that point in time and we distributed it. We had about 15 to 20 odd technicians. We handpicked the best in the few select areas and we distributed the passes among them.
And hats off to them for the way they managed the 6-7 months, right? Tremendous effort. All of us worked hard and we kind of went through the COVID phase.
So the work that we did during COVID translated into a very strong base for the company and very strong word of mouth with our customers at that point in time. We grew much more confident as a unit, the tough decisions that we took. We grew a lot more resilient in our vision to provide safe, clean and healthy drinking water to the entire India. And the key takeaway of COVID was actually us stepping into the next phase of growth, building a leadership team with a lot more confidence.
When we started our expansion strategy, so geo expansion is also a key way to grow. So we looked at different cities in India where we would like to grow. We saw the momentum was very strong in Pune and Mumbai as a market. There were customers who were searching for DrinkPrime online and were looking for a solution like DrinkPrime in these two markets. We launched simultaneously in Pune and Mumbai last year and it has been a fantastic opening for us. These markets are growing at around 30 to 35% month on month for us from a smaller base, but yeah, we have made rapid strides. We have more than now 3,000 customer installs and now plan to even increase it to say for 10,000 or 15,000 customers in the coming years.
By the end of 2023, we realized that the demand for the DrinkPrime product was so strong that we had maybe 2 or 3 months to really ramp up and get ready for the kind of growth that was going to hit us in the summer season of 2024. From our earlier experience during COVID, we figured that in this age of quick commerce, time is something that people are really short of. We doubled down on this and we made sure that we delivered, installed and attended to any concerns that the customer had within 24 hours. Our technicians and our delivery partners are the real cutting edge of customer experience. We worked on the processes that the technicians should follow. We worked on our back-end processes which made sure that our technicians and delivery partners reached the customer's residence as quickly as possible. We made this all standardized process so that we could give that DrinkPrime experience to every single of our 2 lakh plus customers who are present in 9 cities of the country.
So the key disruption for the DrinkPrime is making a water purifier affordable to your common customers who could not be able to spend an upfront for a water purifier. And as a product, I'm happy that even within that limitations, we could be able to differentiate our product and meet the different consumer segments. So that is one of the satisfaction that the customer should not feel that since it is a subscription model, I may not get what is being readily available for a regular water purifier bought out product. So that also we could able to offer to our customers. That's one of the satisfaction what I could say.
There's still a lot of work that needs to go into ensuring the systems are more reliable and improving the customer experience around our product, right? The second part is how do we add more features to increase engagement. We want our customers to not just look at our app as a recharge tool, but we want them to engage like any other health app. So what are the different kind of features and growth loops that we can build so that customers actually look forward to using our app and think of it as a health companion.
And with each passing year at DrinkPrime, it's amazing to see the rate of change. What took us 3 years to install, today we do more installations in just 1 month. What began in a single city, in a single pin code rather. Today we serve the length and breadth of the country across the top 9 cities of India. What began as a single product today has a product portfolio of 3 products catering to every segment of the user. We are proud to have done more than 55,000 water quality tests across all of the cities and pin codes that we are live in. And more importantly, the customers who form the very backbone of everything we do. We are proud to have distributed more than 3 crore rupees to them as referral benefits for bringing them to DrinkPrime.
It feels incredible to build a 1 million users community, and it's a great feeling that people trust DrinkPrime for their water needs. We are very excited to solve more and more problems and achieve our vision of clean, safe and healthy water for everyone.
We are just getting started yet. If you look at it, the vision of the company is very broad. We want to increase the penetration of water purifiers from around say 9-10% today to more than 50%. And this will solve a lot of water quality issues in the country. And that is what we are focused on. So I think it's still just a start for us. To do this, we'll have to put a lot of sweat, effort as we move forward, and also a lot of consumer love will be important to help the company reach its goal.
It makes me feel immensely proud when we came together, what we visualized about 4-5 years ago. Seeing this come to kind of, in this way, right, is like, tremendous pride and happiness. But I would always say this is day zero, right? This is just like, one milestone or one phase, and there's a lot more that we need to do for our vision, and we will do it.